mi amores, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, it's your girl Alicia Amor and I'm back with another vlog. So today I'm going on the road. I'm going to the hair store. I'm just gonna mash up a few errands. I'm going to the hair store specifically because I want to re-up on a few of my hair products that I've been using. So if you don't already know, I cut my hair off. I cut all my hair off and I'm going natural. I'm going on a natural hair journey, and the reason for that is because ever since I was 12 years old, my mom kind of relaxed my hair, and as a child I remember having nice thick long juicy nice thick quality hair, and I haven't seen that hair since I was about 11 or 12 years old. So I made a huge decision to cut my hair. You guys can already tell I have speech problems. It's so difficult to say certain words. Anyway, so I made the decision to cut my hair off so that I can just go natural, grow it back, get back my nice juicy long thick areas. So you guys can probably tell already from my voice that I'm sick. Yes, I'm under the weather. I'm a little bit sick, sinus, cold, all kind of issues may I go through today, but I'm still trying to get this vlog in there, being like Wendy Williams, being a champ, doing it for the vlogs, you see me. So a few of the products that I've been using in my natural hair is the Organics hair mayonnaise, and this is for weak damaged hair. I really like this treatment. I sometimes just rub it up in my hair and then put a steam cap over it for just let it go and season, second and them thing there. African Pride Shea Miracle Bouncy Curls Putting It's Moisture Intense or something like that. I don't know, I really like this product. I feel like it really brings out the definition of my curls whenever I use it, and it's not like, it doesn't make your hair crunchy. It still leaves your hair feeling soft and everything. So I definitely like this product, and if you guys are looking for something like that, you can definitely try it out. Something else I enjoy using in my natural hair is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil, and this is for natural hair. It's called Put-In Perfection Curl Enhancing Cream. I like this as well. It's really thick, and this also helps to bring out my curls and in the same breath treat my hair. So if you got, oh, there's something else that I always use in my hair. Okay, so this is a thicker fuller hair, and it's from Advanced Thickening Solutions. I didn't get this in the beauty supply store, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this today, but I'm gonna try because I need to re-up on all these products that I'm showing you right now, and I'm a little bit bored of my blonde hair, so I need to try something different. Please pray for me, pray for me to relax my hair, because this is gonna be really hard for me to keep my hair natural, especially in the stages of it growing out. That can be really difficult because I'm not used to it, and I really want to stay true to it and get my hair all natural, growing out long and thick and all of that. I don't know what the words, but anyway, if you guys know of any products that you can recommend for my natural hair to help it to grow faster, any kind of mix up blend, you guys can recommend that in the comment section below. I'm definitely looking out for those tips because, as I say, I've never done this before, and I'm just using things that I think will work for me. But if you guys have any other solutions, please recommend them. Please let me know. Yeah, I'm about to go on the road now. I'm gonna find something for put on, and I guess I'll be taking you guys with me, so you guys will see a little bit of what I'll be doing today. Okay guys, so I'm on the mall now. I couldn't get for show no me leave the tax office because it was raining hard, but now I'm going to the hair store to get some hair products. But just come out to one different store a while ago, so I bought some stuff in there. But yeah, I'm going to the hair store now. Discount Beauty. Yeah. So now I'm in the hair store, guys, and I'm looking for the platinum blonde dye. I'm gonna see them with none of that. I don't see any platinum blonde. I'm seeing lavender, dark brown, purple range, off black, electric lime. Look at this green, it's loud. Oh my god. I'm gonna get the hair mayonnaise. This flour hopefully. So guys, I'm looking for a gray or platinum blonde dye and I can't find it. I can't seem to find any. I'm so sad because I really wanted to put my hair in either gray or platinum blonde and there is none. So many different colors and no color to match me. So I'm back home and I just wanted to show you some of the things that I got when I was on the road. I just got a few things. So I got this Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore conditioner. It says shea butter, peppermint and apple cider vinegar soften and nourish. It's for natural hair, chemically processed or heat styled hair. I usually love, I'm sorry for the sniffling guys, I'm really sick today. This is a Shea Moisture product and I usually love Shea Moisture products because they work good with my hair, and considering that I'm now treating my natural hair opposed to when I used to buy chemicals for my weaves, I have to now start investing in really good products for my natural hair because I really want to bring back the luster and the fullness in my natural hair. So I got this. I also got the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream, which is good for defining my curls and also moisturizing my hair and strengthening my hair as well. You guys are probably familiar with Cantu products. They're also good. They're also a good brand for hair products and for natural hair as well. So I got that. I got the Tresemme shampoo, and the reason why I got the shampoo and I didn't get the conditioner is because with I like my conditioners to be more of like a treatment based conditioner, which is why I got the shea butter conditioner, because I really like when my conditioners are more treatment type conditioners. So I didn't get the conditioner for this, but I did get the shampoo, and I rarely use shampoo in my hair as well, but I did get the Tresemme for no particular reason. I just feel like when I use the shampoo, it just leaves my hair feeling really fresh and smelling good, so that's why I always use Tresemme. Alright, so I got this conceal, highlight and contour palette from Clean Color. Now this is definitely not a go-to thing for me. I don't really like to buy makeup products in the drugstore, in the beauty supply store, but sometimes they really do have some good products. And seeing that I want to use some inexpensive products for my makeup tutorials, I gotta start investing a lot more in those inexpensive products for persons that are looking for cheaper buys. So I got this from the beauty supply store. I've never used something like this before, but I'll definitely use it in a tutorial so you guys can kind of have an idea of how it works out. I'll definitely give you a review on that. Okay, so I also got these glitter stuff, because apart from these three I have some other colors as well, but I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. I'm planning on doing a lot of makeup tutorials for Thanksgiving and Christmas, so I got those. Got this beauty blender from the drugstore. I already own like the real beauty blenders, but as I said earlier, I wanted to try and get more inexpensive stuff for you guys to see. So this was relatively cheap in the beauty supply store, so I'm gonna try it out and compare it to the regular beauty blender to see how it works. I also got this baking bronzer from Nabi. It says Get Gorgeous or something like that. So yeah, I'll be trying this out too for you guys to see if it is effective. It was definitely cheap, and I'm gonna compare it, I guess, to one of those high-end bronzers that I have to see if this can also be used effectively. I got this was very cheap. This is a Sophie, I don't know, it's kind of like a headband, and I use these a lot for like when I'm trying to hold my hair up for whatever reason. I guess if you want, you can wear it with an outfit. I don't know, guess depends on how you put it together, but the real purpose of me buying these is just to hold my hair up when I'm putting on my makeup. Simply that. Got this Diamond Lust from Revlon, and it is in the shade Celestial Silver. Now I actually did a test on this in the store, and it was really cute. So I'll definitely be doing a tutorial using this as well, so you guys can look out for that. Red lips are going to be popping for the Christmas, so I definitely had to get me the Kylie matte liquid lipstick and lip liner, and this is in the red shade. Let me open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm sorry. All right, so the pencil looks like this. I don't know why this is not focusing, guys. And this is the shade for the lipstick. So you guys can definitely look out for tutorials with me using these products. I just wanted to try the Kylie lipstick line. I really wanted more colors, but the other colors were just not something that I thought that I wanted, because I have other lip colors that were kind of like the same, so I didn't want to buy them and knowing that I didn't want them. But I really wanted a very nice red lipstick. I'm not sure if it's nice, but it looks nice on her page, so I'm definitely gonna try that. I'm gonna go on the page today to see if there's any other colors or lip glosses or anything new in her line that I want to try, and I'll definitely be getting those as well. So this is probably the only high-end stuff that I got makeup wise, and I wouldn't even say this is a high-end because it wasn't that expensive. But yeah, let me see if I had got anything else. Okay, so I got this jeans as well, and it did really cheap, but I really love the fit of it. It's just this skinny jeans, and it has this detailing at the bottom, and I think that's about. I'm back home, guys. It was a really long day, and I was trying to tell you guys that I didn't get to tell you when I was leaving the tax office that I went to this morning, simply because it was pouring rain. It was so much rain, guys, and I really couldn't get to vlog. So I had so many other things to do today, but the tax office kind of does take up most of my time. So basically I didn't really get to do all that I had to do, but the most, with the dye, you guys didn't see me show you a dye because the store didn't have no color that I want. There's a particular platinum blonde that I'm going for, and they didn't have that at the store. So tomorrow I'm gonna try somewhere else to see if they have it. I really was just too tired and feeling really sick today, so I wasn't able to like go somewhere else to see if they had it. But that's basically my day. I don't know if I'm gonna close the vlog here. I don't think so. I don't think I have enough clicks for a full vlog as yet, so I'm just gonna say see you later. Guys, me a comb my hair. Show them your hairstyle.
Hello.
Who did it?
Me.
Why? Is this the new thing? Is this a new thing for young people?
Well, yeah.
This is the new style for young girls, the new trend. Me, I always like bangs in her face. I don't know why. Tell them why you like bang in your face.
Well, I don't really like it. I just put it down because that's not good.
Why?
Because I've seen on TV and it just looks like my hair's dying down straight.
If you guys watched the vlog with me when she was doing the infamous twirl a whirl, you'll see her in the vlog like flicking her hair all the time. I don't know why. Want to say anything to me, Amores?
Well, yes.
What?
So, I need to subscribe to my channel when I get my YouTube.
Okay. Who's giving you a YouTube?
You?
Alright, so subscribe to me as Invisible Channel. Okay, guys? So what is the YouTube channel name, or what is it going to be called?
The Mia Show.
Excuse you. So yeah, look out for the Mia Show sometime soon. Anyway, guys, I'm really hungry and I want to get some food to eat. I bought some food, mama sure no. Guys, I stopped at the Chinese restaurant and I got me some fried chicken and fried rice with some curry gravy. I'm gonna mash that up now because God knows I'm super hungry. So I'm gonna talk to you later after I finish mashing up this yum. Okay guys, so I know this was a very short vlog. You know, I'm just coming in from work, by the way. I'm very tired and I'm about to go right now and edit this vlog, but it wasn't much because there wasn't much going on this weekend really, but I really wanted to make sure that I posted a vlog for you guys, so it won't be much of anything. Definitely the next vlog will be very exciting, so look out for that as per usual. And yeah, don't have much to say right now except the way I'm tired. I just want to go take a shower and hit the sack. That's my bed, you know, because it was a long day today actually. If you guys have not yet checked out my other vlogs, if you're new here, please go see my other vlogs. I try to do very fun and entertaining vlogs for you guys. If you've not seen my makeup tutorials, please check those out as well. And you don't know, it's your girl Alicia Amor. I'm gonna sign out right now. Look at my eyes are very droopy. Yes. So yeah, I guess by the time this video goes up, you guys will be seeing my hot and spicy ramen noodle challenge. You guys can look out for that as well if it's not yet. If it probably will be up by the time you guys see this video. So if you've not yet checked it out, please check it out, and please like, comment, subscribe this video, and see you in my next video. Love you, mi amores. Later.
Even though I live my life on the road, doesn't mean I don't have time for you. Plenty I've tried, almost came close, but none of them compare to you. So let's live our life